Did you know that most people don't know what they're having for dinner until 4 o'clock in the afternoon? Yeah, it's one of the biggest challenges that many of us face. So today, I'm going to share an idea that's super easy and uses only a handful of ingredients, so there's no reason to stress out. We start with a few boneless, skinless chicken breasts that we seasoned and sauteed in a bit of olive oil until they're golden on both sides. This takes just minutes. We top each with a slice of mozzarella cheese. And now for the part that gives this dish so much flavor, we top the cheese with a spoonful of pesto sauce. Sure, we could make our own, but store-bought is fine. A slice of tomato goes over that, and we finish them off with a good amount of grated Parmesan cheese. Now we cover this and let it cook just long enough until the chicken is cooked through and the cheese is all melty. And there you have it, a dinner that looks like you fussed all day. But the reality is, it took just minutes. And as for the taste, how can you miss with all the layers of goodness? The recipe for what we call Weeknight Pesto Chicken is online right now, so you can make this as soon as tonight. I'm Howard of the Mr. Food Test Kitchen, where today we found a super easy and very impressive way for you to say, ooh, it's so good.